العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
Assalamu alaikum, barkanmu da warhaka. A wannan bidiyon zan nuna muku sandal balls ne da na yi. Wannan sandal balls ɗin ba dai daɗi ba. Masha Allah, ba magana, ya ji haɗi, ya ji turaruka masu kyau, masu kamshi, masu kuɗi. Ku sandal balls ɗin nan in kin ɗau guda ɗaya, in kin gusura kaɗan kin turara, ya ishe ki turara ɗakin ki gaba ɗaya. Ba sai kin ɗauka ball ɗin gaba ɗaya ki yi turare da shi, kaɗan kawai. Duk oils ɗin da muka zuba duk ya shiga cikin jikin sandal balls ɗin nan. Wannan sandal balls ana iya kiran shi sandal Bakhoor balls, ana iya kiran shi bullets, ana iya kiran shi sandal bullets. Assalamu alaikum, good morning guys. So this is like a pack and order with me video, but I want to show you guys something. In preparation for our upcoming business class, I want to show you guys something beautiful and something amazing about water. Okay, I tightly closed this, but this is sandal balls, which is also known as sandal Bakhoor balls, and then this is our soft pink. Ever since I made one of this, a lot of people have been coming back to get this, and which is so beautiful. So this order is going to Gambia. This is 2 liters of soft pink, and then this is 60 pieces of sandal Bakhoor balls. I'm going to open this and show you guys real quick. This is what our sandal Bakhoor balls is looking like, and I'm adding the remaining oils to the balls. At the beginning of this video, I said in house that these oils I used a lot of oils to make this sandal Bakhoor balls, and it smells so good, it smells so nice, so amazing, and it's very long lasting in the room, and it has sandal scent. So if you are the type that likes fruity floral kind of scent, you're getting that with the sandal Bakhoor balls. The sandal Bakhoor balls is sandal and woody and very long lasting, and you can see the size of one ball. It is quite big. So if you're getting just a ball, it costs 2,000 naira, but since I'm doing this wholesale order, I'm selling each ball at 1,000 naira, which is so amazing, like a whooping 50% off on each ball. I just want my amazing customers to sell and make profits and let their customers be happy too. So this is what the 2 dry waters are looking like. The other one is soft pink, which is also known as the Banat, and it is fruity, it is very long lasting, it is nice. It is a fruity wood water, it's a fruity wood Bakhoor, it is a fruity wood incense, and I'm just showing you guys how beautiful this looks before I pack this up to ship it out. It's actually going to the Gambia, and I have so if you would like to order any of those trial water you're seeing, just send a DM to the number on your screen, a WhatsApp message, or you can hit me up on IG or TikTok, Facebook, and yeah, inshallah I'll get these products to wherever you are in the world, inshallah, via DHL. And then I'm adding these testers to her package so that she can explore our different scents. I added blackwood, Daniel Banat, Kajiji, and Sandal Rose. I didn't have testers of Sandal chips, Halud, and other trial waters that I have. That's why I added these ones, but I'm sure she's gonna love them all. Isha Sparkle's body care brand will be launching soon, and the stickers came. They are looking so pretty, so beautiful. This is the first one, this is the second one, which is the violet calm, and then this is the third one, which is the satin shimmer. This is what all the stickers are looking like, and I'm so loving it. I can't wait to love. This is another order of the Daniel Banat na kilita daya. Ga kuma humran shi shi ma lita daya. Na miki humran kanshi, humran da guguri ne wannan.
Subscribe, like, share, comment. See you in my next one. Bye.